Good afternoon, children. This is your English teacher Ananda Kumar. I hope you all stay home and stay safe. Children, in previous classes we were seeing about what friendship is. We were seeing about friendship between Vetri and Ashes. And the next poem we saw uh, how to keep up a relationship, how to maintain friendship, how can we make a friendship, and how can we show our gratitude and thanks in between friendship. Today we are going to see a lesson from Unit 2, Supplementary Reader. Homeless Man and His Friends, a true story. This is a true story, and I'm going to read the lesson now. You please keep following me reading. There is a homeless man in Rio do Sul in South Brazil who often sacrifices his own food to feed the stray dogs around him. One time, he suddenly required emergency treatment. His kindness came back to him like a boomerang. For the faithful dogs he had been feeding made sure he wasn't alone. The dog's incredible loyalty was witnessed by nurse Chris Mambrim and her colleagues. The homeless man, known as Caesar, arrived at the emergency room of the hospital at about 3 a.m. to seek treatment and medication for a pre existing health condition he had been battling. It was his first time at the hospital for treatment, as he normally goes to another health facility in town. Thus, Mambrim and her colleagues did not know about Caesar's condition nor his background. But not for long, they realized that he had a gang of dogs accompanying him. Four concerned dogs had showed up at the entrance of the hospital and were waiting for Caesar. They were concerned about their homeless master, who was the nurses soon learned had been for some time forging foregoing his own meals to feed the dogs. Mamprim snapped a photo of the touching scene and later posted it on Facebook saying, I came across this day at the hospital where I work at 3 a.m. while their masters, who lives on the street, was being treated. His companions waited at the door. A simple person without luxury who depends on help to overcome the hunger, the cold, the pain, the evil of the world, has by his side the best companions, and the exchange in reciprocal. An exchange of love, affection, warmth, and understanding. A person who confessed to us that he stopped eating to feed them. Mamprim continued, speaking to the Duru. Mamprim said, they are all well taken care of and chubby. The faithful canines were anxiously anticipating Caesar's safe return. Fortunately, the animals reunited with their owner in no time. Not wanting to keep Caesar and his companions apart, the staff let the dogs inside after giving him the medication he needed. They even offered some food to Caesar. Believe me, he ate some and saved a bit to give the dogs later. Mamprim recalled. An hour later, Caesar left the hospital with the four dogs trailing behind, happily wagging their tails. I do not know what his life is like or why he is on the street, but I admire the respect and love he has for his little friends. Mamprim concluded, seeing them like this, waiting at the door, just shows how much they are well cared for and loved. Even though Caesar has little material possessions and likely has no kin to turn to, he is never alone because he has his warm and loving companions. So, children, now I'll narrate and explain the story for you. See, one time in a city known as Rio do Sul in South Brazil, there was a man named Caesar, who was a homeless man who had no home to live, and he was living in streets. And he was accompanied by four stray dogs, the dogs that were in stray. See how he made friendship with them it seems that he used to feed them, skipping his food. Skipping his food, he used to spare his food and he used to feed the stray dogs. One day, he was in position to be admitted in a hospital in Rio del Sal for a treatment, which for a treatment for a for medication for some health conditions that he was battling previously. Usually he used to go some other hospital in the town, but this time he went to a new hospital and he was admitted there at 3 a.m. And a nurse there in the hospital, Chris Mamprim, she narrates this story, and she tells how the relationship between the man and the dogs were. Mamprim and her colleagues, they witnessed um, the love of the stray dogs. After this man was admitted in the hospital, all these four dogs were waiting outside the door to know about the condition of this man. See, this Mamprim, she was not aware of this man because this is the first time he is meeting him. And someone told that he is feeding the dogs, and the dog is taken care of that man, and they came to they accompanied this man. So Mamprim, she snapped a photo. She took a photo and she uploaded in Facebook, narrating the things that happened. She tells, this morning at the hospital when I was at work, the man Caesar, and Caesar was being treated for his illness, and he was accompanied by some companions, that is the stray dogs, and all the stray dogs, they waited at the door. See, this man, he was a very simple man without any luxury, and he depends on help to overcome the hunger. He is in the position to rely on somebody for his feeding, and he have to struggle with the pain of the disease, the cold, the hunger, and all evils of the world. But he have best companions by his side, and the love, it was a reciprocal from the companions also. He showed unconditional love to that stray dogs, and this stray dogs too showed an unconditional love towards this man. Mamprim said, these dogs were all well taken, because on seeing the dogs were all well taken care, and they were all chubby. They look so chubby. So it proves that the dogs were well taken care of. These faithful canines were anxiously anticipating Caesar's safe return. They all were sitting out and waiting in the outside the door, waiting for this master to come back. He waiting for him to return safe. Fortunately, these animals they reunited with the owner in no time. Not wanting to keep Caesar and his companions apart, the staff let the dogs inside after giving him the medication he needed. What the staff they did, they all they gave the adequate medications, the needed medicinal support to this man, and after he recovered, the dogs were let to see him. And the staffs in the hospital, they even offered some food to Caesar, the homeless man. Believe it. See, it is very surprising thing that man, he ate some food which was given in the hospital, and he saved some food to give the dogs later. An hour later, Caesar left the hospital. After an hour, Caesar left the hospital. When he was leaving the hospital, all the four dogs trailing behind, happily wagging their tails. All these four dogs were going behind him, wagging its tail. And Mamprim continues, I do not know what his life is like or why he is on the street, but I admire the respect and love he has for the little friends. And finally, Mamprim concluded, Seeing them like this, waiting at the door, just shows how much they are well cared and loved for. Even though Caesar has little material possession and likely has no kin to return to, he is never alone because he has his warm and loving companions. See, this incident show, and Mamprim says that even this man has nothing with him, and he have no relations, relatives, or anybody or friends, but he have the loyal friends with him, loyal friends, that is the four dogs, and they were so warm and loving towards him. That's all, children. See, from this we learn, whoever it may be, when we show love, we get love from them unconditionally. That is what, if it is, even it is an animal, your pet, or your friends, your relatives, whoever it may be, show love and kindness, you will get it back. Thank you, children.